So, hello everyone, and welcome to another online class. Hope you all doing great. So, in today's lesson, we are going to answer the workbook pages number 70 and 71. But before we start answering them, please pause the video for a few minutes and take your time to answer both of the pages. Then start the video again in order to check your answers. So the first question says, circle the odd one out. So here, in each sentence, in each part, we have three words. One of them is different than the other two. So we need to circle the different one. The first is bank card, Velcro, pin. The odd is Velcro. Draw, imitate, mimic. The odd is draw. Prickly, inspired, motivated. The odd is prickly. Cable, theory, principle. The odd is cable. Lizard, beetle, memory stick. The odd is memory stick. Firmly, extremely, securely. The odd is securely. So again, I am going to say the words individually, starting with number 2, draw, 3, prickly, 4, cable, 5, memory stick, 6, securely. So, in order to answer questions like this, you need to understand the meaning of each word of them. So, please memorize the word list. Question number 2 says, circle the correct word. The first sentence says, this fabric was based on a cat's coat. 2. The new train is shaped like a kingfisher's beak. 3. I pay my bills at the cash point. 4. We all really respect her as an engineer. 5. The fish got caught on the hook. 6. Does the humpback whale cut through water efficiently? So, again, the answers starting from number 2 is like, 3, cash point, 4, as, 5, hook, 6, throw. Next, question number 3 says, complete the paragraph with these words. So we have words in the white books which are mimics, efficient, available, ability, intriguing. Nature, the future of our clothes. Scientists and textiles engineers are constantly looking for ways to improve the fabrics we use for clothing. Increasingly, they are turning to nature for their inspiration. This is called biomimetic design. Sharks have the ability to swim very fast. How do they do this? Scientists studying sharks' skin noticed something intriguing. You might expect the skin to be smooth, but in fact it is rough. The skin's covered in tiny V-shaped channels, which cut through the water, reducing friction. A new swimsuit was designed that mimic this feature. Swimmers wearing the new suits found that they were more efficient, able to stay in the water longer and swim faster. Swimming is an ultra competitive sport, and competitors want to use any resources available to them to increase their speeds. So, the next time you watch top swimmers cutting through the water at such a speed, it's possible that they had a little bit of help from a shark. So, again, I will start mentioning the answers in order and individually. Number 2, ability. 3, intriguing. 4, mimic. 5, efficient. 6, available. Question 4 says, complete the sentences with these words: as to, for, in case, in order to, so that, to. Number 1 says, let's go into the bank in order to ask for a new PIN. 2. Take your bank card in case they asked you for it. 3. They studied sharks so that they could learn from their skin. 4. They changed the design for no good reason. 5. He spoke to the researcher to ask for his advice. 6. They imitated a leaf so as to make waterproof paint. So, the answers starting from number 2 is in case, 3, so that, 4, for, 5, to, 6, as to. Number 5 says, join the sentences using the words in the brackets. Number 1, he bought a memory stick. He wanted to transfer data to his home computer. The word between the bracket is so as to. The answer is he bought a memory stick so as to transfer data to his home computer. 2. They used Velcro. They wanted to hold the cables together. The answer is they used Velcro to hold the cables together. 3. She went to the cash point. She wanted to take out some money. The answer is she went to the cash point so that she takes out some money. And here we need to focus that takes, we add an S to the verb take because the subject is she. 4. We designed the car to mimic a fish. We wanted to make it go faster. The answer is we designed the car to mimic a fish in order to make it go faster. 5. They did the research again. They might have been wrong the first time. The answer is they did the research again in case they might have been wrong the first time. Question 6 says, I looked online. I wanted to buy a high-tech swimsuit. The answer is I looked online for I wanted to buy a high-tech swimsuit. So that's all for question number 5. Next we are going to question number 6. It says, look at the pictures, write T, true, or F, false. Picture number 1. He put on glasses in order to protect his eyes. The answer is T. 2. She didn't answer the phone in case she had an accident. The answer is F. 3. They use trucks to clear the snow. The answer is true. 4. She went to the office to work. The answer is false. 5. She touched the screen so that she would be recognized. The answer is true. 6. She only uses her mobile phone for text messages. The answer is false. So again, the answers starting from number 2, F, 3, T, 4, F, 5, T, 6, F. So that's all for today's lesson. Please do not start the video unless you have already answered the questions, and check your answers according to the video, and do not worry if you didn't understand the point that I have mentioned, because I will be sending a picture that have the accurate answers for all of these questions. So hope you all understood today's lesson. Please take care of yourself. Goodbye.